Traditionally, sales on Etsy slow down every summer. Sure, if you joined Etsy in 2020, you likely benefited from what we call the Etsy pandemic shopping wave. But now, things are back to normal, which means if you want to make money on Etsy this summer, you have to hop on the trend bandwagon. For those who are new here, my name is Starla 𝔸𝕚𝕝, founder of the Handmade Alpha Academy for Etsy sellers and manager at eRank.com, Etsy's most popular SEO tool. And if you've ever tried to find trending items to sell on Etsy, you've probably found a lot of conflicting information on the interwebs. And don't even get me started on general summer runway trends. Ugh. Which is why in this video, I'll be sharing a few items that are guaranteed to trend this summer on Etsy. Then I'll show you exactly how to find proven trends on your own so that you don't have to look up trends from weirdos like me on the internet anymore. Not that I don't want you here, I just feel like it's my job to save you a lot of time as a coach, right? That's why I'm here. But before we get into those hot trend deets, I want to take a moment to give a quick shout out to this week's featured shop. Thanks so much for your love and support. If you'd like to submit for your own shout out, just tag Handmade Alphas in a photo or a screenshot of yourself watching this video, either in your Instagram feed or your Instagram stories. When it comes to Etsy trends, we can usually use predictive analysis to forecast what will trend over the next few months based on what we've seen in the past. So here it is, Starla's 2022 summer trend forecast for Etsy. Coming in hot, we have stickers. Over the last 15 months, stickers have consistently remained one of the most searched items on Etsy. Not to mention with viral platforms like TikTok allowing sellers to showcase some of the most interesting aspects of running a sticker business, marketing your sticker biz has become easier than ever. Next up, we have wall decor. A quick analysis of last year's search data shows that Etsy shoppers went crazy for wall decor as weather began to warm up. As of March, we're already seeing the wall decor trend begin to spike, which means we'll likely see this trend maintain over the next few months. Going hand in hand, wedding decor and bridesmaid gifts were some of the most items searched on Etsy in July, August, and September of last year, with trends for both keywords already picking up as of March of this year. It looks like couples are planning their weddings earlier than ever this year, which means all things wedding related are likely to trend heavily over the summer. Speaking of planning ahead, searches for digital planners have started spiking more than usual as of January. This is great news for digital sellers who want to get an edge in the slower summer months. And while we're on the topic of digital items, we've seen an explosion of searches for digital prints since the fall of last year. This may be a trend to take note of for anyone who sells art as well, because art prints specifically seem to be climbing after a great 12 months. Another interesting trend to take note of is the sudden spike in searches for mid-century modern, which started in the fall of last year and has progressively climbed in popularity ever since. This trend is especially enticing for sellers who want an edge, because it can be applied to some of the other trends that we already discussed, like wall art and prints. And as always, trends for items like necklaces and earrings will always remain in high demand during the warmer months. But it's more important to note the specific themes and styles that can be applied to those jewelry trends. For example, the term minimalist has been super popular on Etsy since around October of last year, which stands to reason that minimalist jewelry might also be a great trend to take advantage of this season. Additional trends that have had huge jumps in popularity over the last few months include slime, embroidery, keycaps, press-on nails, photography, do-it-yourself, and 90s themed items for women. Now, with all of these trend predictions, you should have a ton of great ideas. But if you found this list lacking, or maybe it just didn't pertain to your specific industry, I'm going to share with you my ultimate tool for fast trend research. Start by heading to eRank.com. I'll go ahead and leave a link up here in the corner somewhere, and down below where you can sign up for a free account. From there, head over to the Trends tab, then select Monthly Trends from the menu. From here, you can choose the specific category that you sell within, so you can target trends within your industry. Just be sure to also take note of the trend graphs on the right side of each row, because these will allow you to quickly see the growth of the trends over time. Not to mention, you can see what was trending heavily during June, July, and August of last year. Because if something was trending last year, there's a good chance that it will be trending again this year as well. In this video, I shared some of the most profitable growing trends on Etsy. Plus, I showed you exactly how to do your own trend research for products within your own industry. But making trending items obviously isn't the only piece of the Etsy success puzzle. I like to think of success on Etsy as a complicated science that consists of multiple moving gears and parts. Together, these gears help the machine to function properly, thus leading to sales and profit for your shop. And if you want to learn the proven science of Etsy success, I've spent all month creating a free workshop that covers the mechanics of the Etsy machine. In this free 24-minute workshop, you'll learn the exact criteria Etsy uses to rank shops in search, my ABC formula for total shop optimization, and how to grow your SEO authority using the 6 steps of the scientific method. And no, there's no sales pitch at the end, because let's be honest, that's annoying and no one likes wasting their time. To enroll in the free mini workshop, you can gain instant access via the link down below or up here in the video card. All in all, success on Etsy is about analyzing data and being strategic when new trends emerge in the market. With a little science, a lot of data, and some help from a trusted Etsy SEO expert, you'll be well on your way to Etsy success. Cue the funky lo-fi beat.